a home to a wide range of industries, has become a heaven for industry enthusiasts.
MSME या छोटे उद्योग हमारे देश में करोड़ों देशवासियों की रोजी रोटी का साधन है। खेती अगर भारत की अर्थव्यवस्था की रीढ़ है, तो MSME उसके मजबूत कदम है जो देश की प्रगति को गति देने का काम करते हैं।
The Office of Industries Commissionerate, Government of Gujarat, has successfully implemented Industrial Cluster Development Scheme. Production facilities, result-oriented networking, high efficiency, and technical finesse are some of the advantages. Clustering is a boon for Gujarat with rapid economic development potential. Gujarat has made headway in MSME development, resulted into employment generation and improved GDP. Today, Gujarat is the epicenter of more than 100 prosperous industrial and artisanal clusters. They have redefined growth and set the highest standards of value for customers. Some of the prominent industrial clusters of Gujarat. The apparel and textile industry Surat. This cluster employs around 35 million people, yields 1/5 of the total export earnings, and contributes about 4% to the GDP. It is one of the largest industrial sector. Design capabilities, latest technology, management and negotiating skills are some of the significant traits of the entrepreneurs here. The Dyes and Chemical Cluster, Ahmedabad. It is one of the fastest developing industrial corridors with more than 1,000 different dyestuff derived from a vast variety of chemicals. With a demand for textiles accounting for over 80% in India, this industry holds a bright future. Plastic Cluster at Naroda, Ahmedabad. Gujarat has major advantages as it contributes more than 60% of the Indian petrochemical industry. With 70% of the polymers produced in the state, Gujarat's share in plastic products is around 14% and in exports around 15%. The cluster engages superior technology. Gems and Jewelry Cluster Rajkot. Superior craftsmanship, computer-aided designs and studded jewelry pieces are some of the USPs of this cluster. Various processes employ modern technology with commendable quality control systems and testing methods. With an urge for continuous improvement, the entrepreneurs are all set to break new grounds. Brass Parts and Components Cluster, Rajkot. The Metals Handbook, published by the American Society of Metals, mentioned that brass was first developed in India. In Gujarat, this industry is concentrated in Rajkot and Jamnagar. 70% of machined brass part components of India are produced here. Technologies used are quite advanced. It provides employment to almost 200,000 people with a turnover of rupees 80,000 million. Machine Tools Cluster, Rajkot. This cluster exports its products to Russia, United Kingdom, Gulf and African countries. Rajkot is a name in manufacturing all mother machines today. Having adopted computerized numerical control machines, the cluster now produces the latest range of competitive customized solutions. Foundry Cluster, Ahmedabad. This thriving cluster manufactures alloy steel castings, aluminium and other non-ferrous castings for domestic as well as global requirements. Fully enabled testing facilities has assigned credibility to its products. Steel Re-Rolling Cluster, Bhavnagar. The first re-rolling cluster was set up at Bhavnagar in 1948. Several units emerged subsequently with the development of the ship-breaking yard at Alag. Along with advanced technology, The units have effective chemical and physical testing equipments also. Engineering Cluster Vadodara. Vadodara district, being an abode to several Tier 1 companies requiring precision casting and forging, has emerged as a promising engineering cluster. The entrepreneurs are aware and take benefits of various schemes of Government of Gujarat. It also has specialized labs to check the hardness, strength and microstructures. Opening up of the world economy and removal of trade barriers have made it indispensable for entrepreneurs to adopt and promote a culture of sustainable competitiveness. Gujarat understands this and enables MSMEs to build their capacities in the clusters to emerge as powerful national and global players.
આ વખતના બજેટમાં અમે બે વાત કરી છે. એક તો 1000 કરોડનું પેકેજ અને બીજું MSME માટે એક અલગ કમિશનરેટ ઊભું થાય એ માટેની જાહેરાત કરી છે.
A strong industrial base is fundamental for a progressive economy. Gujarat welcomes investors to become its partners in progress.